Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to edit our Harmony Forms confirmation message. Let's get started. Click on your form to select it, then go to Edit Form above. On this window, go to the Settings tab, then go to the Confirmation Message section. On this drop-down, make sure that Show a Message is selected, and then input your confirmation message here. The confirmation message is what your site users will see once they successfully submit a form. So go ahead and input it. Once you're done adding your confirmation message, you will also need to choose an option for your message display time. So you have custom, which you can set how many seconds it should be displayed, or always. I think always is a better choice for me, but this would be entirely up to you. So once you're done working on your confirmation message and tweaking its settings, click on Save to save the changes you've made onto your form. So you can safely close this window after it's been saved. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. And if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.